Hey friends, Lauren Empey here, bringing you a special segment, Ask an Estate Planning Attorney. Estate planning goes hand in hand with investing in real estate as a wealth building tool because it allows you to protect the value of your assets and minimize your taxes. We're going to cover the basics in a few different segments and hopefully get you up to speed on what you need in your estate plan and how important it is to get it done like ASAP. So it's my pleasure to introduce Mahogany Taylor, an estate planning and probate attorney. Hi Mahogany, thank you so much for being here today.
My pleasure.
So Mahogany, let's jump in. What is an estate plan?
An estate plan has several different components, but in short, you use legal documents to create binding instructions on how things should happen to your children and your assets should you become unable to make decisions for yourself due to an accident or health issue and after you pass. As part of a full estate plan, you may create and use a separate legal entity such as a trust to hold your assets and ensure a streamlined transfer to your loved ones after you pass with minimal taxes, legal fees, and family drama. The basic components of an estate plan are a will, a trust, a healthcare directive, a power of attorney, and a nomination of guardian for minors.
So what happens if you don't have these tools in place before you pass away?
It creates a lot of hassle and stress for your loved ones, and it's costly and time consuming. It's basically a nightmare. Bottom line, if you want your loved ones taken care of, at the very least, you need a basic estate plan to document in writing who gets what to streamline the disbursement of your assets to your loved ones without additional delays or legal fees.
Wow, thank you so much for this overview. Clearly, it's a little complicated and there are a lot of moving parts, so we're going to dissect each of these components in their own video segments, but just really quickly before we wrap up this intro, I'm sure a lot of people are wondering, how much does it cost to get an estate plan done?
Attorneys charge anywhere between $1,000 to $5,000 to help you set up an estate plan. It basically depends on how complex your assets are.
Makes sense.
As an offer, I always give a 30-minute free consultation to help you learn how an estate plan can help you.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Mahogany. Everyone, please be on the lookout for the additional segments where we're going to dig deeper into the components of an estate plan so you can figure out how having an estate plan in place will benefit you and protect your investments. As always, live well and invest smart.